Hello guys, everyone. I hope you are enjoying your beautiful life. Right now we are in front of Spade. So I wanna share what's the fall collection in the Spade. Any word, Kebi?
Yeah, so we're going to take a look what is the fall collection inside of the Kate Spade, and we'll see if there's any deals for you. So we're going to share the deals and all the collection with you. So
Stay tuned with us.
yeah, stay tuned and follow with me.
Look at that, the rose collection. Did you see? And it's red color and so beautiful. Very
Bring in the
romantic.
light. Bring in the light.
Very romantic.
Let's put here the light. You can see the look. Oh.
And it's very romantic color. The design is also very romantic.
Can you do a 360?
Okay, let me try. And the brand name is written over here. The price of this one $529 and it's
Already reduced, right?
50% off.
Already reduced.
50% off. There's accessory collection with this one.
Maybe is it $129?
No,
Or maybe those are just 50% off.
50% off. And the price of this one is $149. So this is the accessory with this one. Wow, there's also in black color, the Disney collection. Oh, it's pretty one. It's very cute and pretty one.
Yellow and black, everything so good, right?
Yeah,
And they have those pouches, right?
accessories of the black. Yeah.
Cute, guys. Wow. Like those.
Wallets. They have also the wallets as well.
And this one they have.
They said it's the Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah, they made it like a book.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh wow. I was thinking it's the box, but it's the purse, guys. The bag.
See
Okay.
that?
Yeah.
That's kind of, they make it like similar of the book.
Yeah. It's $529. Guys, there's 70% off
All those
all
collections.
those collections.
This
And yeah,
this counter and this as well.
yeah, this counter as well.
Let's take a look at one of the.
That's
Which one you like it?
the brown one.
This one, brown. This one? And there's a
The price is $479 and it's 70% off. So let's move.
those are all bags.
The crossbody bags are $149. And these are backpacks. The backpacks are 70% off plus 20% off as well. So it's $519 and it's 70% off plus 20% off.
You guys can calculate quickly this.
$519 is 130%.
Here as well. Coats.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the coats. And you have the same price of dress shirt as well, right?
This is the unique collection.
Oh wow.
If you are watching, there are unique collections which we
Yeah.
saw before and
I never
right
saw
now.
this before, right?
Yeah,
We usually used to come here.
and it's 70% off plus 20% off. It's $529.
price here?
598 and 70%.
Awesome.
So lot of colors and lot
Look
of
at
varieties
that
are
horse.
available.
You see those folks? So it says it's a very nice deal. $119 plus an extra 20% off. So it's gonna be probably $100, right? Just close to $100. They're very nice. You can put like your
It's in burgundy color.
iPad, right? Tablet,
Yeah.
right? And some more stuff. Very good. Like they have a small pocket with a zip inside. The other two side two pouches, right? And I think it's close to $100, maybe a little bit less than $100,
Yeah.
right? Like maybe $98, $95. So they are very good.
Yeah.
So they are like fabric,
Yeah.
but I think it's a waterproof fabric,
Yeah.
kind of a one sky.
And it's 70%
Yeah.
off. What's the price of this one? Price of this one, $479 in Canadian dollars, $399 in US dollars. So these are 70% off as well.
Those are 50% off.
Oh wow. These jackets are 50% off. And the price is in Canadian dollars, $679.
Yeah, 50% off, right? And they have 4 colors, like gray, metallic, green, pink, and black.
Yeah. For party wear. It's party wear and the price of this is $200.
How much is that?
$200 and 70% off.
So, like
So $200.
$60.
Yeah,
$60.
yeah. And guys, the brand name is on the clutch, but it's not contrasting with the overall clutch.
Background, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's the only.
because it's also metallic and the brand name is also metallic,
Yeah.
so it's not contrasting. Otherwise, it's good for the party wear. Look at that, and the price they are saying, I don't think so. The price is $319.
70% off
Yeah,
of that, and then on the top of it, 20% off as well.
but the main drawback is that the brand name
Yeah,
is not
if somebody
prominent.
is like conscious about the
Brand name is not
then-
prominent.
Yeah, it's not prominent.
Yeah.
Anyway, very nice collection.
Yeah.
Wow.
What a maroon color
Did you
kheti.
check it? Like so shiny it is, guys.
Very
What the
glittery.
hell?
It's good for the party
Wow.
collection.
Can you maybe put this way?
Yeah,
Wow. Sure, so beautiful.
very beautiful.
So nice, guys.
And the price
And
of
price
this
is?
230 bucks.
Yeah, 230 and 70% off and plus 20 extra.
Plus 28.
Oh wow. Look
I'm
at
not
that
sure
shine,
just-
guys. Look at that shine.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's something you feel like the LED lights are like, things,
Yeah.
you know, like embedded in it. No, but it's not. It's just those stars actually. Wow. Wow.
And the
Awesome,
brand
yeah.
name Spade.
I'm gonna guarantee that you are gonna love this.
Yeah.
Really, I'm telling you. You're gonna love this. Awesome. Watching Let's Start Food. Please keep on watching. Please subscribe our channel. We're gonna make a lot of informative video for you. And final word here.
And share our channel with your family and friends. And thanks for watching.
See you in the next video.
Bye.